Today I'm going to be taking a look at the ClimateLine Air 11 hose. This is the heated hose for the Resmed AirSense 11. I'm also going to be doing a 3-month service, which is going to include the Humid Air 11 tank. This is the AirTouch F20, the Resmed F20 headgear. I'm also going to be replacing the AirTouch F20 mask, which you do once a month, but because we're doing a full service, I'm going to replace that as well as the filter, which you replace every 1 or 2 weeks. So this does come with an instruction manual, which is kind of nice. So first let's disassemble. So I'm going to press in and pull out that old tank. I'm going to press and pull on the hose. That just pops right out. This is going to pop out right here. So just press in on that. Now this is the only part that we're not going to be replacing today, so I'm going to wash this out with warm soapy water right now. And we'll slide that back in. Then on the side, we'll pop this down, pull out that filter, put in our new filter, clip that closed. Insert the new tank. Line up the arrows on the top and put in our new hose. And finally replace the headgear. So all we're going to do is pop this off. And I do try to keep kind of an idea of where this was when I take it off. That way when I put the new one on, I'll know exactly how that goes on. We are putting it in from the inside and then putting it up approximately where we're going to need it and Velcro that down. And the hose just fits right onto the adapter. You just press it in. You can see this swivels around very nicely. So that is the full 3-month service.